going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's Saturday morning. It's been a long week and it just seems like my work's never done. I've got to paint Josh's trim piece that flew off of his car. Ended up buying another one, and I also have to work on the motor. Covered up, obviously. Reason being is because I have to tap these holes and things like that. These two. Well, actually, this one's actually fine. Hyundai slash Mitsubishi said 4 foot-pounds of torque, and again, they might as well have said hand tighten. So obviously, when I used 4 foot-pounds of torque, it actually let's see here. I still have them somewhere. Oh, maybe I got rid of them. I don't know. But I actually stretched the bolt and it broke, kind of. Unfortunately, it didn't break in there. So, but this one right here is spinning. So I've got to tap that, rethread it, and keep going, putting everything back together. But it is coming along. Thank you guys for being patient, because I know it's been a long process. So let me start the day by painting this for Josh, and yeah, tired. Hey, if you're new to the channel, also welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and enjoy. Go back and watch the other videos too. So like I said, let me get started with them. Maybe it'll be smart if I actually cover the motor back up too while I'm spraying in here, and abracadabra. Ooh, damn it. Ooh, power. Ooh. I'm kidding, guys. Maybe I should actually open the garage door. I don't really feel like losing any more brain cells. Yeah. Where the hell is... Ah, it's over there. All right, let's get this started. Helps if I didn't break that off. Waste. I have another one. Fortunately, I still have the other can. Okay. While we're waiting for this first coat to dry, I have to, well, I can't do it right now, but I need to change the oil on the Genesis. I haven't done that in a while. I need to recharge the air conditioning system, the refrigerant system on the Ultima. Obviously, I need to finish painting that. I need to work on that today. I got a lot of stuff to do today. Also, I was wondering, so this crank pulley, you see that? How rusty that is? And it just has to do with the fact that Hyundai used steel, I guess. I'm thinking I'm going to sand this and paint this black, maybe, or I don't know, maybe another color. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I may actually go gold with this, just to put a little bling in the engine bay, you know. But let me know what you guys think. Oh, great, I got sandpaper. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sand that down, like, well, not now while that's drying, because I don't, you know what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so if you're not experienced like painting something, especially with spray cans, just quick tips: don't hold it too close because you don't want to get overspray and things like that, and you want the paint to adhere. And also do it in several coats, as you guys see me doing right now, just so that way you get the right amount of coverage and things stick and things like that. So quick tip of the day, there you go. Alright guys, so while we're waiting for that to dry, I just wanted to show you what I was talking about with these two bolts. And I do mean both bolts. So watch, I could probably just keep doing this forever because it is not getting any tighter. Same now with this one, I realized too, it's doing the same exact thing. So I'm going to have to, like I said, tap both and rethread them and call it a day. Sometimes that happens when you work on a motor or work on anything. Things strip due to fatigue and things like that. So it's just one thing I gotta fix and call it a day. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, son. Alright guys, so the reason why I turned it around was A, so you can see it, and B, see the motor, and B, so that way I want to make sure when I am tapping these that I'm not getting any metal shavings going into the block. So I angled it this way. I'm going to use some like duct tape and things like that upside down so it catches the metal shavings and things like that. So, you know, just a precaution. And normally you don't want to do this on the block, but it shouldn't be that difficult, so I'm gonna do it. Wish me luck. As I took this bolt out, as you guys can see right there, all that right there, that's all the thread from basically from inside there. That was a pain in the butt. Fortunately, I have another one of these bolts, so I'm not worried about it. So yeah, I'm gonna. So it's crazy, guys. Like I don't know if you guys can tell from there, but like the top half of that, it almost looks like there's a lip there. No, that's where the thread actually broke off. So I gotta tap that and get it cleaned. Alright guys, so what I did was I took the duct tape and I'm doing the harder of the two holes, just because this one's obviously closer to the internals and things like that, and I don't want to get any metal shavings in the motor. So what I did was I took duct tape and just taped it down here and brought it back over with the sticky side up. Same here, so I can catch the shavings and things like that, and it'll stick and adhere to something. I don't suggest you try this at home. I'm just a little bit more brave and stupid. So here we go. Alright guys, so I just finished doing the top hole, and the reason why I was flipping the motor over this way was so that I could get the metal shavings to come out onto the floor and not in the motor, and it seems to be working. So, and the tape is also doing its job by catching any little burrs and things like that. So let me continue, get this done. Time to install the new thread. Threads installed. Let's make sure this works correctly. Yep, we seem to be in there. Good, thank God. Whew, that was scary. Alright, now I gotta do the bottom one and we're good. Alright guys, there you have it. The timing's now almost done. All I gotta do is torque everything down and then pull the pin, and like a grenade apparently, and the timing's all set, I hope. So I'll let you guys know how that goes. I actually gotta torque these down too. But yeah, it's coming together. So let me know what you guys think about that down in the comment section. I'm excited. I can't wait just to be done. And it's been a long process, a slow process, yes I know, but I wanted to take my time doing this. Am I going to be able to do the rest of the stuff I need to do today aside from go to the gym? No, because it decided it wanted to rain today. And even though I hear my neighbors in the background doing housework and stuff outside, yes, they're manly men. I can't do what I need to do outside. Well, I could, but you know, I don't want to change the oil outside and things like that in the rain. No, it's just try to stay pretty, you know. Don't look at this. No. So anyway, I'm not sure what else I can do today. I can't bring Josh's part and put it on his car. I also need to take some other stuff off because he wants me to paint that too. Shoot me now. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this video down in the comment section. I think I'm just gonna tighten some things up, get this done, and I'll probably end up painting. Well, I'm gonna sand down the crank pulley and stuff like that, and then we'll figure out what color we're gonna do. So in this video, down in the video comment section below, I want you to tell me what color you think I should paint the crank pulley. Obviously, as you can see, it's rusty and things like that. It's steel, obviously. Yeah, let me know what color you guys think I should paint that crank pulley. And the more comments and the more of one color I see, I'll paint the crank pulley that color. Please don't let it be something crazy. I'm just saying. So anyway, like I said, you know, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. Go back and watch some of my other videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. You see I'm funny. You see I'm pretty. Go ahead, laugh. You want to laugh? Right there. I see you. Laugh right now. Okay. Anyway, like, share, comment, subscribe. Definitely share my videos, please. My channel has grown. It's because you guys. Can only grow more if you guys share the video. So definitely share, and make sure to always do your best with what you're doing. Don't be afraid to try new things, and make no limitation your only limitation. Peace.